Hello guys, welcome back to this advanced level combined mathematics paper out video series. Through this I am going to show the maximum highly expected problems in your future exam paper, pure maths, applied maths or combined mathematics papers, higher maths, Excel, any type of advanced level mathematics. Okay, today the applied maths component comes on that impact or impulsive collisions of elastic bodies. The problem is available in my WhatsApp platform. Also, you can see the thumbnail. The question is this: a particle P of mass 3m and a particle Q of a mass 5m are on a smooth horizontal surface. You know, they're along the table. Two masses P and Q, the name. If I draw the diagram, draw a nice picture. If I say one is P, other one is Q, their respective masses 3m and 5m, right? This is 3m, this is 5m, both at rest at the beginning surface. So the particle move towards each other in opposite direction along the same straight line. So they moving along each other, opposite direction. This there, this there. So they said, I think that just what happened, the collisions both moving to each other and collide and go separately. So they said along the same straight line. Immediately before the collision, the speed of P is 3u. This is 3u before the collision, and this Q is 4u, right? So always draw nice pictures, you know, the applied mathematics paper, structure paper. First question, like this impulse or collisions along this horizontal surface, the spheres collide each other. So, right, for you, right? This is the magnitude of the impulse exerted on P by Q, that also provided the I impulse. Now I show that picture somewhere here. This kind of impulse, I say I. So you know, if one particle gives the I the same, equal and opposite, other one the I, right? This is P, here Q. So the question says the magnitude of the impulse exerted by P by on P by Q is 33 by 2 mu. So if I say I is provided, what is I equal 33 by 2 mu, right? The impulse mass into velocity, right? The unit. That's all, right? So what the question is, find the speed of P immediately after the collision, also speed of Q after the collision. A well balanced problem for any type of future advanced level combined mathematics applied component. See my method. We see the after collisions, I'll mark this. I will assume that both collide and go opposite direction once again. So therefore, if I mark this one here V1, here V2, right? The question is find the V1 and V2. So dear student, here no things about the restitution. Coefficient of restitution not available, no E here. Impulse and these velocities are given. So you know the answering of such an impulse question, the syllabus of frequently we use conservation principles of conservation of momentum. Final momentum equal initial momentum, or Newton's restitution of low separation velocity E into approaching velocity, but here that is not needed necessary. And the what is I equal? I equal delta mv. I equal delta mv, is it? Impulse equal change into in momentum. I or vector format, vector formula, vector equation. I equal delta mv. Impulse equal change in momentum, right? Okay, we'll work first. I will apply that. Apply principles of conservation of momentum, right? Particular direction. where that final momentum equal initial momentum. There's a direction, I apply that side, final momentum 5mv2 minus this side 3mv1, right? This is final momentum equal to initial momentum, this direction 3m into 3u minus 5m into 4u, right? Okay, now you can see the m is common, cut this m, divide by m every part, it becomes 5v2 minus 3v1 equal 9 minus 20. Is it 9 minus 20 minus 11, right? Minus 11u, right? 9 minus 20 minus answer. Suppose the velocity comes minus, the direction should be changed. That's all, right? Say number 1, okay? First equation. Now I apply this I equal delta mb. They said the Q exerted to P force, the impulsive force I. So apply I equal delta mv. I equal delta mv formula apply. Impulse equal mass into velocity. This should be apply always a better impulse direction. So here I said I, therefore this side, right? I equal change in momentum, final momentum minus initial momentum. So there is our mass into different in velocity. Mass is 3m, right? Mass is 3m. Final velocity here v1 minus 3u, this side negative 3u. Okay. Therefore, dear students, what is I4? That 33 mu over 2. Okay, so 3m, here you can simplify v1 plus 3u, right? v1 plus 3u. You can cut this 3m cancel, 11u by 2, right? 11u by 2 minus 3u, is it v1? Okay. We are 6, therefore 5u by 2. This is the velocity of, according to my view, velocity of P after collision, right? 6, 11 minus 6, 5u. So, you know, here after solving, take it v1, put it here in the first equation. What is first equation? 5v2. What is minus 3v1? This one, 3v1. 3 times 15u over 2 is equal minus 11u, right? Therefore, 5v2 equal 15u by 2 minus 11u. So, what is that here? 22, right? Minus 7u, right? So, therefore, V2 answer minus 7u over 10, is it? So, what do you mean V2? I mark that side, but not there. That is comes this side later part. You can direct it only. Direction only change. When the answer come negative, no problem. The marking scheme or answering, collecting the correct solution. No matter about the direction changes. Okay, nice workout. Can expect such a problem. Impulse always applied first paper. You can see pure maths first paper, method of mathematical induction, structure part. This also a structure part. Okay, we'll see you next time. Please subscribe among your friends, those who are willing to go to advanced level mathematics, highly expected to go university type, challenging to get 3 A's along with the maths A. They need such a answering this kind of question when they practice as a revision type. Okay, we'll see you next time.